How to enable or disable show background ANRs on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search show background ANRs. Scroll down. So after searching, you will see show background ANRs is here. So if you want to enable show background ANRs, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show background ANRs is enabled. So if you want to disable show background ANRs, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show background ANRs is disabled. So you will enable or disable show background ANRs from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show background and ANRs on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.